All right, today we will learn a cool new way of solving differential equations based on the product rule from calculus, which simply says fg prime equals f prime g plus fg prime. And in particular, let's use this to solve the following differential equation: e to the 3t y prime plus 3e to the 3t y equals t squared. And the idea is, by the product rule, this whole thing, at least the left-hand side, is just the derivative of one function, which is e to the 3t y prime. Because if you expand this out, you get 3e to the 3t times y plus e to the 3t y prime. And that equals t squared. And then using this, we'll actually be able to solve for y using integration. So this tells you e to the 3ty is the integral of t squared dt, which I like to remind you is 1/3 t cubed plus c. And then if you divide by e to the 3t, or in other words, you multiply by e to the minus 3t, you get y is e to the minus 3t times 1/3 t cubed plus c. And that becomes 1/3 e to the minus 3t t cubed plus c e to the minus 3t. And just one small remark, do not write this whole thing as plus c because of e to the minus 3t. So you see, what makes this so nice is this equation had this product rule form. And the idea behind integrating factors is really to put differential equations in this product rule form, which is precisely what we'll do next time, or at least in the next video.